Your money is sleeping right now. Every penny sitting idle is losing buying power, slowly due to inflation. But imagine if that same money started working for you. That's what a strong finance support system does. It helps your money move smartly. Step 1. Save smartly. Spend with discipline. Step 2. Invest wisely. Let your money grow while you sleep. Beat inflation to get you richer in actual terms. Step 3. At the same time, stay liquid. How? With simple financial tips which I would be discussing in coming days. Ready cash helps to capitalize on opportunities. Whether you're a student, job holder, business owner, housewife, or running a family, this system works for everyone. Because when you control your money starts working for you. Follow for more simple tips to build your own finance support system. Subscribe to join the journey towards financial freedom. Next update with further tips.